In today's video, we'll go on a tour around Panglao Island in Bohol. Hello! Go for a tour of a few rental properties. And stop by my place at Momo Village Guesthouse. So what the neighborhoods look like. Some nice little houses in here. There's a hotel being built, it looks like, or apartment buildings, one of the two, but a new construction going on. At a lot of these intersections, you'll see a church. I guess it divides up the neighborhoods, and there's a couple of cows grazing right outside. As the temperatures are cooling down, there's a lot of people outside. The kids are off school. These kids are probably waiting for their ride. Hello! As I drive along, there's a lot of lush foliage everywhere I go. Look at this yard. Lots of nice landscaping. And a lot of kids walking home. Hello! Chickens and roosters crossing the road. There's goats tied up, grazing on grass. Hello! A lot of friendly kids there. There's another nice house. A few more houses set back here. There's a for rent sign. There's little quick shops. About every 100 yards there's a quick shop. One of the best ways to find a place for rent and get a good deal a lot of times is just on foot, riding around and looking for places that are for rent or for lease. And I stopped by here, and actually I've got a friend that's living on one half of this unit, and the other half is available right now, and month to month is $15,000. It has air conditioning. It's got some fairly good space to it, and it's in a really nice kind of a quieter neighborhood. 5-minute walk to Napaling Beach, so it's a good place and a decent price.
But yeah.
Light. Nice big room, table, some seating, refrigerator, kitchen, 2-burner stove. Here is the bedroom. There is a large wardrobe for clothes storage and a couple of windows good for cross ventilation and an air conditioner mounted in the wall. Here's another wardrobe for storage. The bathroom is fairly large and the shower has hot water. Another house that's getting all fixed up. Looking good. This looks like a nice little place. Popular free diving schools. Here's our highway. We're on the main busy road near Alona Beach, just outside of Alona. Nice houses in this area. Typical. gonna look at a room, $25,000 for a month. And a brand new. This looks very nice. New landscaping.
Yeah.
Nice stonework. Shoes okay?
No, it's okay.
Okay. All right. Oh, this looks nice.
Okay, now let's
Table. Nice couch.
here and downstairs, same.
You see the kitchen. So refrigerator. No burner. No.
Outside.
Outside. Okay.
Yes, we have
Outside.
kitchen.
Okay.
We have a kitchen outside,
Okay.
sir.
Oh, so this is 2 bedrooms.
Yes.
Clean air conditioning. Air conditioning here. Is
From now on, it's dirty because we have a
Yeah, it's
minivan
okay.
because they have prefer.
yeah, brand new. Okay, yeah. So cooking out here.
Yes. Sir.
Nice. A nice place to cook outside. Very good. There's Wi-Fi.
Yes, sir.
And free Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Electricity extra.
Electricity and water is not included.
Not included.
Yes.
Okay.
These are CR.
Nice. Nice sink. Brand new. Looks very nice. I like this upstairs.
We have 2 single beds.
Oh, I
Room
see.
for 2 persons.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
No, I,
CR is
yeah.
here and outside.
Okay, yeah, I see. Yeah. And this is how much a month?
15.
15.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes, jogging.
And then this is a common area.
Area.
Yeah.
Area. And we have TV.
All right, yes.
Lights. Kasi, sir. Mana? Okay.
Oh,
It's a
okay.
shower. And
CR for girls.
yes.
Ayaw, sir.
No, smile we have.
Okay. So these are the common area.
Okay.
Very nice. Clean,
Thank you, sir.
brand new. It's a nice view. Oh, let's look at the common kitchen.
Yes. You can use also the refrigerator.
Refrigerator,
Yes.
water. The common kitchen area. You got
Yes.
recycle,
Recycle.
reduced plastic. You got water up there, so we don't have to buy bottled water.
Yes.
I want to look here too. Now open. It's a very nice looking place for rent. Hello? For rent? For rent? How much? Oh, the whole thing.
Yeah,
How much is the whole thing?
100.
100.
Yeah,
And it has 2 places?
yeah.
2 places.
You want to go inside?
Yes, please. Yeah.
And then,
It's got a really nice outdoor area.
and then you take all of the other one.
It has, the shoes okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Just go inside.
It looks brand new. Very nice ceiling and lighting. It's a very large room with a walk-in closet area and a nice bathroom.
This is the master.
Master,
Yeah.
very nice. A walk-in closet.
They have a kitchen,
Mm-hmm.
room.
Second bathroom. Second bedroom. Another very large bedroom. Nice high ceilings. This is the kitchen area. Stainless steel sink. I'm sure there'll be a refrigerator here. Okay, nice. And second? Okay. Very big rooms. Nice high ceiling.
Oh yeah, ceiling, high ceiling.
Mm-hmm.
That's for you because you're
Oh, yes, yes.
you're tall, so
Uh-huh.
it's not hot.
Mm-hmm.
So with the other house also, it's just the same.
Okay, a second home. All in a gated, very nice, big, large gated, well landscaped area. Okay, so another big wide doors, some strong wood furnishing. Kitchen area, nice kitchen table. Here's the kitchen. 2 bedrooms. Yeah. 2 houses, 4 rooms. Okay. You can hear. Very big rooms. Oh, outdoor area too. So an outdoor cooking area. A barbecue. So this is an area for the workers' rooms. So there's actually an extra bathroom out here and a small extra room for an employee or worker to live outside the main house. So your guardian. This place is about a 5-minute walk to Napaling Point, and so it's a very nice location too, in a quiet area. I'm at Momo Village. This building was created by an artist, and as you can see, it's a very creative structure. The rooftop area is a great addition and has an awesome 360-degree view. Momo Village is surrounded by natural tropical forest, but still equipped with modern comforts like satellite TV and fast internet connection. Room prices vary depending on the time of year and which floor you are on. At the time of this video, my room rents for 26,700 Philippine pesos per month. That's about 533 US dollars. My room is fairly large, and I like that my work area has 2 windows that allow for the breeze to blow through when I have them open. The kitchen area is small, but I have been eating all my meals out and haven't used it. Drinking water is provided. The bed is very large, and there are double doors that open up to the balcony. This allows a lot of breeze to come through when all the windows are open. The bathroom has hot water and a small window. For more cost of living guides and travel information, please subscribe and click the bell so that you'll be notified when the next video is up. If you enjoy the video, give us a like and leave a comment. It helps us to keep bringing you free videos like this.